This is the grand finale between Asian Stars and Indian Royals, which is being played.
Tails. Tails is the call. It is tails.
Yeah, we would like to bat first.
The Indian Royals, Namanoja is the opener, Rahul Yadav, Faz Fazal.
Asian Stars comprises of Rishi Dhawan. Absolutely electrifying atmosphere here at the Madan Paliwal. How the match goes.
Oh, that is what it is. That is if it is in his half. It's going out of the park. First boundary. But has not lost his line. Beautiful played off the back foot. Punch through covers for four. That's what I've been talking about. It was up in the air, but fielder under it. And that is what happens. This is what Rahul Yadav does. Rahul Yadav out for 4, 8 for 1. Oh, it's up in the air. Oh, just cleared the... It took... Oh, his heart must be in his mouth. Oh, that's it. That's in his heart, in his slot.
And that's the advantage Faiz Fazil is taking. Again, a slower one. Foxed Faiz, but that could have been close if... Oh, that is what. That was he was stationed there for. Straight in the hands.
Namanoja out for 5, 19 for 2.
Getting good movement, and that is very good delivery. Very good delivery that one, as well as Ishwar Pandey. And that is a catch which is just dropped.
Royals currently going 5.6 and over. Makes a little bit of room there.
Yanker try and get a good score. That's a good touch. Very good shot down the ground. Stays an arrow and a one-handed drive. Pulling the length back and straight into the hands of the Cow Point fielder. The last over he was dropped in a similar position, different fielder.
Yogesh Nagar departs after scoring 16, Royals 36 for 3. And that's going to be a straightforward decision there. Munavira, he's in with the wickets. I'm going to have to call that plum.
Did it turn back? Vikipan turn away from the left-hander. No, it did not. And I think they've gone for 11 of 8 for coming down the wicket. Shot. Oh, from nowhere. Wonder why Ishwar Pandey went round the wicket first of all. Sanjay Singh is not holding back, does he? A nice effort, beautiful effort by the...
Oh, he's checked that. Is it straight into the hands? No, it's a misfield. Ishwar Pandey, what have you done? You're magnificent with the ball.
Abdul Munawira. Full toss, goes out extra cover. And ends the 10th over with a bound without...
Oh! Slower in the air, one shot too many. Manan Sharma has also perished. Yes, should have gone straight, but you don't get second chances, do you?
Manan Sharma going for 14 of 15 deliveries over itself. Including Rishi Dhawan. That was one in the air, just missed the fielder.
That was an easy one. Oh, shot over covers. That. Very good. Great discipline. Whoa! I reckon he's gone.
Rarely on a direct throw that a batter is saying. Vinny Saxena goes for 15 or 14.
Big hit. Over covers. 4. Very nice indeed.
Don't give me that sly grin there, Joy Mukherjee, over the first time. And that is a good shot.
Biggie, is it enough? Yes, it is. It's over mid-wicket, gone for 6.
Oh, what a shot that is. That is absolutely brilliant.
Very aggressive attempt. Another hit. Up in the air.
Oh, top edge on this one. And it's going to run away for runs. Does it? Yes, it does.
Oh, that's up in the air. It did not middle it. Luckily fell in no man's land. They turned...
Watch it again. He doesn't even look like he's in the frame here. He's a goner.
Oh, it's up in the air. Fielder coming under it. And that is Saroj. Bipul Sharma out for 5.
That's a brilliant shot there from Anurjeet Singh. He gets the width. And now he's in the wickets. Pavan Suyal.
Out for 2, 140 for 9.
Anuri goes big. Has he got enough on it to go all the way? He does. Of concentration. Here's one top edge. Is it going to land in no man's land or is it down the throat? It's down the throat of Pavan Suyal. And that's going to be the end of the innings, and it's going to be the end of Anuri Singh's innings as well. Required run rate of 7.45. It is game on.
Who will it be? Who will win this trophy and take it home?
It's not 180 they're chasing. Ball one of the run chase. On the money. I love the bounce on this pitch. Before the game started.
Trap in there for. That's a huge swish, and that's a wicket which they wanted. Mehran Khan goes bowled to Manpreet Dhoni.
Irresponsible shot. That's where the shake of the head. He's gone for 0. Gorgeous. Yeah, nice. Oh, the gift of timing. Short and wide, outside off stump. Brilliant piece of fielding. Is there a run-out chance? Yeah. Sweep. Was there a chance for the sweep fielder? Oh, mighty close. Outside off stump. Anureet. Whoa, whoa. That is out now. That is the bounce. He's fired up. He's got some juices flowing in those veins.
Kashyap Prajapati goes on 15.
Down the ground, has it gone all the way? As that's been timed to perfection.
And the second one also, he gets a heave. Short arm pull. Will it go all the way? Yes, it does. Goes all the way. That he wanted to heave. Munawira, the wicket which was needed. One more wicket down for and Munawira goes for 2 of 5. Same gear as Rishi. Oh, that is a good shot. Flick of the wrist, and what a shot, what timing. Dhawan. Raghav was trying to sneak out of the. That is a shot up of this over. Last ball to come. And that's a slog sweep. Does it go all the way? Yes, it does. What power, what timing. So re-bowl that delivery, Jakati. And this one, what a shot. He's been playing at the Cows Corner misfield, but could not hold on to that earlier. And one short ball outside the off stump, and what a shot there by Rishi Dhawan.
Another short delivery there, and he's pulled that in front.
That's nicely played, beautifully played. Beat the short third midfielder for another boundary. Oh, nicely played over bowler's head. No chance for any fielder.
What a shot that is! What a shot that is!
Slowly inching towards victory. What a short ball, and what a shot that one was. Stepped out.
Taken the game away. That's beaten all ends up. And so has been the wicket keeper.
It has gone neck and neck. It's been a fair competition. What a shot that one was. Gets the maximum on that one.
With each other. Oh, there it goes. It's a commentator's curse. When he tried to talk big, he went for a big heave.
Rishi Dhawan goes for 83 of 57.
Can he finish with a flourish? Over covers for 4. That is what Sarul is known for.
That is more runs for Rishi Dhawan. Will that be a boundary?
And that's nicely played. He did field it beautifully, but could not stop the single. And look at the Asian Stars running out to the park. They have won the first inaugural Asian Legends Trophy. And it was a great camaraderie in Asian Stars, especially led by Mehran. And what a knock Rishi Dhawan played. What a knock. His brother joined him in a celebration. Look at them celebrating the victory. Wonderful, wonderful sights. Asian Stars won by 6 wickets and are the champions.
Whatever the Royals did, the Stars did it better.
This is their moment, ladies and gentlemen. After all the hard work and challenges, we have our first ever champions of MPMSC Asian Legends League Season 1. History has been created, and what a journey it has been. From fierce battles on the field to moments of pure brilliance, this team has risen above every challenge, proving their dominance in style. Congratulations to Asian Stars!
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.